Experimenting again. So I have the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a stick of butter, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. That's unsalted butter. And we're gonna blend in, we're gonna add a little bit of pie spice and a tablespoon of sugar. So again, we're just feeling through here, looking for any little bits of butter that haven't been flattened. One reason I like this way is you get them in these sheets. You get them coated in flour and nicely thinned out. So we'll do 2 tablespoons. 3, so approximately a 1/4 cup of the graham cracker in there. Beautiful Pacific Northwest, so that's not an issue for me. Now I folded it so it's fairly flaky. If see, there's a little bit of graham cracker in there. What I think I'm gonna do again, so that's got maybe one more fold in it. So we're gonna roll that out, and then we're gonna take an additional little sprinkle of graham cracker. Put that sort of in the middle-ish. Fold that into it. And then roll it out. So it's cohesive, yet still pretty flaky, tender looking. My well-floured biscuit cutter, straight down, in you go. Again, flour, straight down, no twisting. Okay, graham cracker biscuits. We have brushed the tops with butter, sprinkled a little bit of graham cracker crumbs over the top. We are now gonna add just a little bit of sugar. See how we can do this. And drizzle, 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 drizzle the remaining butter over the top. Oh hi, they're delicious.